Open your Store One dashboard and click on the Configure button of the sticky Cart Bar Addon. First, enable the addon. In the Settings tab, you can choose the cart bar position and control when it appears on the screen by setting the scroll percentage. You can also select the animation style for how the sticky cart bar enters the page. Under the Content section, you can enable or disable different elements such as the product image, price, quantity selector, and product variations. You can also choose the button action and customize the button text. The Offer Banner section allows you to display a custom offer message along with a timer by setting the start and end date and time. Next, move to the Visibility tab. Here, you can choose a trigger type, and its settings will appear after selecting. Same for Exclude button. You can exclude specific products from here. Device visibility settings are also available, allowing you to show the sticky cart bar on desktop, tablet, or mobile individually. Additional mobile settings are provided specifically for mobile devices. In the User tab, you can control which users can see the sticky cart bar. You can display it for all users or exclude specific user roles and users based on your requirements. Finally, in the Style tab, you can fully customize the appearance of the sticky cart bar. You can change the background, text, price, and button colors to match your store design and branding. On the right side, you can see the live preview of the sticky cart bar. The preview updates instantly as you make changes to the addon. It gives you a real-time view of how the sticky cart bar will appear on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices on your store. After completing all the settings, click on Save. Now, let's see the preview. As the user scrolls down the product page, the sticky cart bar appears at the bottom of the screen with a smooth animation. The offer banner and timer are also visible. It displays the product image, product title, price, and the Add to Cart button, allowing customers to quickly purchase the product without scrolling back to the top. Thank you for watching this documentation video.